Hey everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube and rank #1 on Google first page in under 10 minutes. Guaranteed. Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube and rank #1 on Google first page in under 10 minutes. Yes, under 10 minutes. In fact, I think I'm going to double down and say I can do it in under 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you the steps and how that's available to do, as hard as it is to believe. Then I'm going to share with you and show you on the screen and in the suggestions how you can actually take advantage of this formula. And I'm going to leave the links in both. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you this powerful program and how I can get it down within 5. You know, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to say I can do it within 3 minutes. But if I do it in 3 minutes, you have to check the link out. Do I have a deal? Perfect. So how to make money on YouTube and rank #1 on Google first page in under 10 minutes guaranteed. Well, I'm sure you're thinking, what the what? Prove it to me, because I'm not going to believe it. And I'm going to show you in a couple of moments how it consistently is under 10 minutes, and also then show you some examples of how it could affect your business and your bottom line to a very positive way. Now, everyone knows that money loves time, or time loves money. And the less time you produce on something, the more money you're going to make. So if you can do this under 10 minutes and get yourself ranked on YouTube, ranked on Google, and ranked in the carousel, you know, really, how would that look for your business? It would be pretty powerful. So the first example is this. It's posted organically, and I'm using this 5-step formula that Paul Murphy has, which is just beyond amazing. You know, it's always said that some people learn from mistakes and examples, and some people are the examples and the mistakes. Well, I was the example and mistakes for probably the last 10 years when it came to Google advertising, YouTube advertising, and Facebook money suck advertising. Because Facebook is just horrible when it comes to advertising, because it's a social platform. It's not really something that people go to immediately and look for products or service. And at any given moment, they can just say, so long, see ya, your account has been suspended. So I'm not a real fan, but I am a fan of Google, and I'm a real fan of organically posted videos with Google, because YouTube and Google, actually organically posted YouTube videos, because YouTube, when you put enough videos and you get a lot of loving, it migrates over to Google, and Google is the #1 search platform in the world. So my first example, once again, is organically posted first page YouTube, first page Google, first page video carousel in just 4 minutes. Same thing happens here. Second example, organically posted first page YouTube, first page organically on Google, first in the carousel in just 2 minutes. Now, what's incredibly powerful about this formula is people are saying, gee, how to rank, how to rank #1 in 24 hours on YouTube. And that was done 9 months ago. I'm saying basically how to do it in 1 minute. So, I mean, you can see the power of this program. Next one is example 3, first page, organic again. In other words, it's not a paid ad. And there are paid ads above me. Now, what's really cool about that is if there's paid ads on YouTube channels, that means there's money to be made. So if you can get there organically, that would be just incredibly powerful for your business. Next, sample 4, organically posted, page 1, all in just 3 minutes. And this guy here, his name is Neil, and you can see he's a real powerhouse in the business. And I bumped him in 3 minutes when he's been basically #1 and #2 for 2 years. And I bumped him in 3 minutes. So, you know, money loves speed. That's what it is. Money loves speed. And you can see how fast this can be if you take advantage of Paul's system. Next one. And I'm going to get a little redundant here, but it's not a matter of like, it's not about me, me, me. It's about the possibility of how you can actually build your business. But the point, however, the point here is how consistent this is. Once again, organically posted, first page, YouTube, Google, carousel, 6 minutes. Next one, organic again, number 1, YouTube, Google, and the carousel in 6 minutes. Now, if you want to make money on YouTube, what happens if you put the videos on YouTube, they will shift over to Google, and that's where the money is really made. You know, because what you can do is you can actually stranglehold a whole page with your niche, because the more videos you put up, the more that YouTube and Google thinks you're a master in your niche. I mean, whether you are or not is one thing. I know I'm not, but I just know that the system really works and the whole process really works. Example 7, same thing. First page on all 3, 3 minutes. Then we're going to go back more. Oh, this is classic. This is first page in 1 minute. Now, and this is on YouTube. Now, the cool thing about it is when there's enough videos going out and YouTube sees you as a leader in your niche, they'll start grouping your videos together and announce to me, not only did I get first minute ranking, one of my other videos that I had done a day before got ranked as well. So I took 50% of the page. But it gets better. It's example 9 here. All of this organically posted, first page, ranking number 1, 3, 4, 5, 4 of the top rankings on YouTube. Basically, I'm starting to put a stranglehold with my niche, 80% of the positioning here. Next, this is where it gets wild, where you can actually see organically post again, and I've got all 5 positions. In fact, I could only do a screenshot of this. The reality is I have 8 of the top 10 positions on YouTube. Now, and let's face it, on Google and YouTube, if you're on the second page, you might as well be on the last page, because very rarely do people, I know for sure, that I rarely go into the second page. And if you're on the third page, you might as well just not bother with your energy. Honestly, most people don't go past 5 or 6, and if they get comfortable with what they see, they will basically stop right there. Now, if your company could have the first 5, 6, or 7 positions, how would that look for your business? It'd be powerful. People would say, hey, this person's a real powerhouse in the business. And it's not about the product. It's all about the process. So whether it's electrical, whether it's plumbing, whether it's healthcare, fitness watches, fitness equipment, tents, cycles, doesn't matter. The product is not important. You could be a master and just stranglehold everything. Now I'm going to go and give you an example of basically what I'm doing. Let's take a look here. I'm going to be example of a shopper, because I wanted to give you this example when I mentioned at the very beginning of the video. And who I am right now is I'm going away for the weekend. I'm going to go mountain biking. It's a great weekend. The mountains are all open. It's dry. The tracks are going to be fast. But you know what? I'm a little fearful about my bike breaking down in the middle of nowhere. So I'm looking for pumps for my mountain bike. So I hit on Google, and the first thing that happens is I hit this, and the first thing I see is a paid ad. Then I see a carousel. And then I circle down a little bit more, and then I see 7 or 8 different videos from 7 or 8 vendors giving me 7 or 8 or 9 different reasons to buy 7, 8, or 9 different mountain bike pumps, and giving me 7, 8, or 9 different prices. Now, imagine if you went from here, and instead of going to here, you went to here, and your business had all 3 in the carousel. And this is what I mean by the carousel, is it's rotating, and when you have power with YouTube videos, this will automatically occur. So you've gone from there versus here. Then you look here and you think, well, okay, all these different videos. But what if you went, instead of going to there, went to here and saw all your videos on Google, first page, strangling the first page. people will not go anywhere else. Now, let's keep in mind, these are hot buyers. These are not tire kickers. These are people coming to Google for a very specific reason. And when they come there, they'll go 4 or 5, maybe 6 rankings down, but they're going to say, hey, look, well, I don't do cycles. Well, I do mountain biking, but I don't sell mountain biking equipment. But just imagine if this was all about mountain biking and your company, how powerful that'd be, how you could attract all this new business, how you can put people in front of your store, and how your advertising costs could drop to literally 0. So after seeing this information, if you could rank number 1 on YouTube, not only rank number 1, but also rank 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put a total stranglehold on the first page, rank number 1 on Google, be in the carousel and put a stranglehold on that, cut down your advertising costs by 50 to 100%, also crush the competition and get all these brand new red hot buyers, would you do it? Heck, I would. This is pretty much a no-brainer. This is going to make your business explode and how you can actually be a front runner in your niche. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss another video. Have a great day.